Hello guys, once again you are welcome on our channel. Today we will discuss about how to calculate log of any number. This video is especially created for Elvis Transcribe. One of my viewer, I have created a video in Hindi, but he want to understand in English because this is the most basic problem according to him, and some he faced some inconvenience at that moment because the video was in Hindi. So I really apologize for that. Let us start our video. If you find log of any number, there are two main parts. One of them is characteristics and another one is mantissa. The characteristics is the part before the decimal when you find the log of any number. We will discuss with some examples in this video, and the part after the decimal is called mantissa. So we are to find characteristics and mantissa. This mantissa is find from the log table. Keep remember log table. By using log table we can find the mantissa, and characteristics can be find by seeing the number whose log is to be calculated. Let us take these few examples to understand. Let us find characteristic first. In this example, we are to find log of 2. So there is no decimal. We can write down it like 2.0, and you can see there is one digit before the decimal. Okay. In this example you can also see the one digit before the decimal. Already decimal is given, so we don't need to put it in such a form, but over here you can see we need to put. To explain you, I am putting this decimal point over here because decimal is all at the most right part is 0. So here before the decimal there are 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. So I will subtract 1 whatsoever. What is the number of the digit? You are to subtract 1 from this number of digit, 1 2 3 4. So 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 you will get 3. Then 3 will be the characteristics in this example. So let me put over here 3. This is the characteristics part. You can see over here there is the one digit before the decimal, and if I subtract 1 from 1 I will get 0. So this is 0 before the decimal. Over here you can see one digit, so 0 and decimal. Since it is one digit and 1 minus 1 will be equals to, you are always do this. You can see over here that the decimal before the decimal there is no significant digit like 1 2 3 4 to 9. So uh, if we replace this decimal over here, you are replacing from 2 place. So the part of the characteristics will be 2, and over the bar 2 bar it will be read as 2 bar, and put over here decimal. Okay, so we have find the characteristic part of all these examples. Now make the pair of first two digits. Over here you will read this 2.0 as 20. Over here you will read this number. Now to find mantissa, this is the 24. Over here we have replaced this, so this will be read as 32, and the next part will be 4. In this we will consider 7 3 as a pair of two digit, and later it will be 7 and then 1. So now we need our log table. Look at this log table. It consists of three major column. This one is the first column, and 0 to 9, this is the second column of logarithm table, and this is the mean difference 1 to 9. So the pair of the first two digit is always been look through this column, the second digit third digit is always look through this second column, and if there is one more digit, that will be seen through this column. Okay, so now if we find the log of 2, we get the characteristics 0 point, it will be read as 20. So go look through the first column in front of 20, and which second column, there is no any digit, so we can place over here 0, because it is after the decimal. You can put over here number of zeros, that will be not affect these value. Okay, because there is decimal, so it will be 20 and 0 in second column. So look, this is the 20 and this is the 0 column. So 0 column you will get 3010. So our logarithm will be 3010. Now in this case, you have make made a pair of first two digit, means this will be 24. So look, 24 in first column over here, and what is next, the next digit is 2, so this will be seen in second column of the logarithm table. Look, this is the second column and it is 2, so 24, you can see over here 2, this, and this one is the 24. This will be the value of 24 and 2. What is this? 38, 38. So 3838. This is the log of 2.42. In this case, this pair will be seen in first column. So here is the first column, this is 49. Let me turn the page. You can see over here 73, and look, the next digit 7. So 7 is seen through this column. Here is 7. Now here is 7, and go to this point 8675. You can see over here 73 3, and this one is the seventh column 8675. So let me write down over here 86 7, and it's a 75. There is one more digit after 7, so this one is seen in this third column against the 73. Look over here 73, and you can see over here it is 1 against the 73. So this will become 75, not 75. 1 will be added in this, it will be 76. In this case, you are to look in first column 32, and in second column 4, the intersection of these two column. Look over here, this is the 34, and over here it is 4, 34 4. Look, the intersection of these two, 5 3 6 6. So let me put over here 5 6 3 6 5 3 6 6. I hope you have understood how to calculate log. In my next video, I will tell you how to find the log without using this logarithm table. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.